from our lovely trip away. The summer holidays are finished, the kids have gone back to school, and September is here, which I am a little bit excited about, but I am not ready for autumn just yet, because we do have our summer holiday coming up, which I'm really looking forward to at the end of this month. There is no way that I am going to be getting my pumpkins out and dressing this house for autumn. When I've finished doing summer, I'll happily do autumn. I've got a busy September actually, and even though the kids have gone back to school, I'm still not in a routine. I'm not finding time to do the things that I thought I would be doing. Like, I really wanted to have a good deep clean of the house, but I have just not had a minute to do it. I'm looking at like our calendar and I'm just thinking like, when am I gonna be able to do this? Because I really want to do it as well, like before my holiday, because then when I get back it's like October, and then we're gonna have another half term. So do I even bother? Because the house is gonna get turned upside down again. But I am in the process of decluttering, organising, and just getting the house together. I actually do think I live quite minimally. Minimally? That's not the right word, is it? I think I live quite minimal. I do have some things, but I know there are lots of people who have a lot more things than me. And even still, I have been getting rid of bags of stuff, which is crazy really. So yeah, my job today is to reorganise a few of our kitchen cupboards, because we have had the kitchen done now and I sort of organised it, and now I'm living in it and I'm like, actually that's not working there, I want to change it up. So I've also been buying a few little decorative bits which I'll share with you because they're new since I did like my little kitchen tour. So yeah, I only have about an hour, but I will do my best to get what I can done within that time, and we'll see how we get on. This is currently the kitchen worktop, which I am really happy with. These are like the little bits that I've added. So I've got a little new egg basket. How adorable is this? I got this from the car boot, £3. And then I've got a couple of chopping boards here. So I've got this one from B&M and this one which says baguette on, and it has like the slicer at the bottom where you would cut the bread, was £1 from the car boot, and I love the wood together with the basket on here. I've got a little thing that holds butter, my toaster, and then over this area is like Will's coffee area. So I did buy this little wooden tray. I got this jar from B&M to put the coffee beans in, and then I've got a syrup pump which I got from Amazon. So what I want to sort out, because I don't want these cups here either, because he's now having his little coffee station here, I want to sort out this cupboard, because this has got wine glasses, gin glasses, a few random bits here, and over here in this cupboard, because this is where we used to make our tea and coffee, this is where all of this is. So ideally I need to move this cupboard over to here, and then the glasses, where am I going to put the glasses? I was thinking, because I really do like the glasses in these little cupboards here, I feel like they fit really nicely, but in this one I've got like oils and stuff, and then in here we've got spices, pasta, like bits and bobs in there. So do I move these along, but then I'm going to have a big cupboard with nothing in? Yeah, I think what I'm going to do is just have a little bit of a play around and just see how to organise this space a little bit better. And then in this one, this is where I had some baking bits before, but yeah, it's just not, I'm not using it the best as probably what I should be. So that will still stay the baking cupboard, but that also does need sorting at some point. But for today, I'm wondering if I can organise those shelves so they're like that in there as well. I think what I'm going to do first is empty that cupboard. No, I think what I'm going to do first is empty this cupboard and try and organise the shelves, and then we'll go from there. I've just finished emptying the cupboards. As you can see, they say it always gets worse before it gets better. So we have to trust the process. Anyway, I've just unpackaged my new coffee syrup bottles because I already had 2 of them. But then I thought, well, we might want some seasonal syrups, you know. So I actually picked up in Home Bargains these. I haven't tried them. Well, I won't be trying them either because I don't actually like coffee. But Will does, and I'm sure the kids maybe can have them in hot chocolate. So they're suitable for vegans, sugar-free. And this one is toffee caramel. And then this one is pumpkin spice. So I needed a couple more because I have one that sits out, and then I've got this Loner jar on its own. So I need some more to go in here. So that is why I got these. I got them from Amazon. You get 2 in a pack. This little thing to help you pop the syrup in, and then you get all of these labels. So I thought that was really good. And I'm now going to fill these up, and then I'm going to try and organise. I don't really know. Like, I've had to do the cupboard like this because when Will's fitted the kitchen in, he's screwed the cupboards together and used the holes, which I need to, like, you know, put my shelves in, which I can't do. But anyway, I think this is quite good having a bigger bit down here because, like, that jar is tall, although saying that, it would fit in there. But anyway, we'll work with what we've got. So this is our little biscuit jar, so that will go there. And then, yeah, I'm probably going to have the syrups in here on this bit. And I've got some straws as well. I don't know. I'm going to have a little move around. And then I'm going to have the jars there. Although I just think that is so high to reach. But I don't really know. If I did have a shelf here, these wouldn't be able to fit in actually. I don't know how to have these. I don't want them to, like, look like they're lost. But then I don't need to have a lot of stuff in my cupboards too. Because then that is more tidying and cleaning. So yeah, we'll see how we get on. So some order has been restored. This is actually the next day because last night it got chaotic and it was tea time. So I have managed to pop some bits away in the cupboard, so I thought I'd just show you where we've got up to. So we now have all the syrups, the biscuits, and the rest of the tea, coffee and sugar and bits up there to go with this little station here. And then in this cupboard, this is actually free. I've just popped them in there because I didn't really have anywhere to put them, but they won't stay there. But I've got a whole free cupboard because I decided to put in this side my glasses. So I've got wine glasses there and gin glasses there. And then in this side, I've got the mugs and the glasses, which is looking a little bit empty, but I've left some spaces for like seasonal mugs because I've actually got like pumpkin mugs and Christmas mugs and stuff like that. So I've left some spaces here for them to go in. And then over here, this is the cupboard where I've now put in all of those foodie bits that were over there. So I feel like that's working really well. And this cupboard I'm yet to sort out, but this will be a little baking cupboard. So I'm going to go through all of this at some point, buy some more storage jars and organise that, because I actually really can't even remember what is in like these boxes. And that bowl normally goes here, so I do actually have like a free shelf and a half because I don't normally have them there. But yeah, I've got a couple of spare storage jars that I managed to take out of the cupboard. So yeah, that is looking a lot better. And when I come to decorate for autumn, I'm gonna have like my little pumpkin syrup there, and yeah, I'm just gonna make it look really nice. So I've got like a little cute pumpkin chopping board as well, so I'm looking forward to doing all of that. But yeah, I just thought I would share with you what I've done so far.